Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you schedule your transfer into Wise. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, schedule your transfer, you just simply have to open your Wise application at first, and after opening the Wise application, you will get to see this unlock option. Just simply unlock your Wise application, and after unlocking it you will get a bunch of options. Now you just simply have to scroll down to all the way bottom and you will find this option of schedule your transfer. Simply tap into schedule your transfer and you will get this option right here. Now again tap to schedule a transfer and then just simply select the payment date right here and then select remittance order. Just simply select any of those and then tap to confirm schedule. Then your transfer will successfully be scheduled. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.